Hi, Karen here, and I'd like to introduce you to this guy. This is Checkers. This is how he started, formerly a Santa Claus, which I took apart till I got to the base. Nice. I grabbed the aluminum foil and started bulking out a shape. Let's make a bird. Look at those feet. Perfect for making shoes on them. Everything was covered then with Pal Tiya, and I gave him some eyes and started right in on the hair. Epoxy sculpt is perfect for sticking on those beads. Then I added a hat. How about a checkered vest and a bow tie? When I made his checkered shoes, and then followed up by making his checkered pants, I realized, well, that's it. That's his name. Hey, Checkers. You're ready for grout. Looking good. Now just a few more touches and you're ready to be revealed. Checkers and I hope you enjoyed our story. It has a happy ending. He made it to the gallery and Checkers found a new home. Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye!